Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Hyderabadi chicken biryani by using pressure cooker. It is very easy and quick way. It is ready less than an hour. Let's start the recipe. So firstly we need to take 5 onions and cut into slices. Cut onion into slices. We need to do slices. You need to do like thin pieces. So my onion is done now. Now I am put kadai on the stove. It's time to add oil in the kadai. Let's wait for the warm. I think the onion is hot now. So the oil is hot now. Let's add onion slices in it. I'm dividing the onions into 2 parts. It should cook properly. We need to deep fry the onion until the color is brown. So in the meanwhile, we need to preparation for the akhni. Let's start that one. So stir it every 2 to 3 minutes. You need to stir until the onion become brownish color. After that, we'll take off from the kadai. So friends, this one is brownish color now. We need to take it off from here. So this is chicken. I take 3.5 kg chicken bone with bones, and this is 2 kg of basmati rice. This is half bunch of mint. I'm taking 2 lime because it's very small. I will take 1.5 lime. This is green chilli I'm taking. This is coriander. This is fried onions. This is yogurt I'm using, and this is homemade garam masala. If you want to know how to make garam masala, so I will show you how to make garam masala at home. So I will put everything in this cooker, and I will take red chili, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, and fried onion oil. So let's begin. So take a pressure cooker like this and put chicken in it. So this is 3.5 kg I'm adding. Add, this is 2 this is a spoon I'm using. This is 2 spoon of this. I am using extra hot chili. As per your requirement, you can use your chili powder. This is salt. I take 2 spoon of salt. I take half spoon of haldi. This is homemade garam masala. I take 1 spoon of garam masala. So I'm adding everything in it. So I'm adding ginger garlic paste now. 2 spoon. I'm adding lime, 1.5 lime. I'm adding 6 green chili. Now this is mint and this is coriander. I'm saving some coriander and mint, and this is fried onion. I'm using almost 75%. This one I'm saving for the last. So this is our yogurt. This spoon I'm using. This is the tablespoon. You can see. So I'm using this 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8, so it's I think 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Now I will check how much I want akhni. So I need to mix it well. Let's mix. So this is instant cooking. No need to put for marination. Just do it like that and put it on the stove. It's very easy to do. So I mixed it well. It's time to add oil. This is 59 ml. So 1, 2. So I'm adding 3 of this. It's nearly 180 ml. So mix it well. I'm using this one fried onion oil. This is a refined oil I'm using. So you can use the same oil. You can't use a different oil. You need to use only onion fried oil. Okay. So I mixed it well. Now it's time to close the lid and put it on the stove. So I put it on the stove. I put it on a high flame. I'm giving 4 to 5 whistles. So in the meanwhile, I wash the rice and keep it aside like this. So I take a big bowl like this, and now I'm adding Shahi Zira half teaspoon. So friends, this one is I put already on the stove. In the meanwhile, I thought that I'm going to ready rice. So I take a bowl like this. I put water half of this boil, and now it's time to add some of this. The cinnamon means dalchini. I take 2 sticks, cloves 5 6. I took elaichi 6 7 and half teaspoon of shahi zira. So I add everything in it. So this is the 2 bay leaves. I add it, and I'm adding this lime, some lime, because I don't want my rice broken, and I'm adding some coriander and mint in this. Now it's time to add salt. I'm adding 4 to 5 teaspoons of this. 3 4 5, and now I'm adding some oil in this because I don't want my rice stick together. So this is all set. Now it's time to turn on the stove. I put it on high flame. So we need to wait until the water boil, then we will add rice in it. So friends, this is our 4th whistle coming, and I am turn off the flame and take it off all the steam from the pressure cooker. So I'm taking off the steam from the cooker because chicken is very sensitive, it's easily broken. So I don't want my chicken should be in pieces. So let's take it off the steam from the cooker. So I open the lid. As you can see, my chicken is cooked properly. You can see it's cooked already. You can see the bone. So you need to do one thing, because we need to soak water from the gravy. So we need to take it off all the chicken from the pressure cooker. Otherwise the chicken will be you can't find the chicken. I mean, it's completely gone. So I take it off all the chicken pieces in this plate, and we need to soak water from this curry. So I need to put on the stove. Let's see. So friends, this one you can see, we need to wait until the water soak from the gravy. You can see here, still the water not yet boil. We need to wait until the boil come. Then we need to add the rice in it. So as you can see, the water is boiling now. Now it's time to add rice in it. I soak all the water from the rice. It's time to add here, and you can see here the gravy is cooking. We need to wait until the water soak from the gravy, and we need to stir this gravy every 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, now it's time to add rice in this water. So I added rice in it, and I'm stirring this one. So we need to cook rice 95%. Okay, let's see. So this is 95%. I cook the rice. Now I am taking off to strainer. So I take it off in the strainer like this. Put it 2 minutes and the water gonna be rinsed off. So I need to put it here again after that. So I'm putting half of the rice from strainer to in this big bowl. So I take it off half of the rice in this big bowl. Now it's time to add chicken pieces in the big bowl. This is my way of cooking. I just put separate chicken pieces in the big bowl like this. Other people have different ways to put chicken, but this is my way to put chicken in the big bowl. So I put all the chicken pieces in the big bowl. Let's start the next step. This is my gravy. You can see the oil comes on the top and the water almost soak. We'll do more 1-2 minutes, then we'll add this one in the big bowl with the chicken pieces. Now water is completely soaked from my gravy. It's time to add gravy in my biryani. So friends, this is my style. I'm putting gravy like on the chicken pieces. So you need to put all gravy on the chicken pieces. So as you see, this is my final look after adding the gravy. And now I am adding leftover rice here. So now I put all the rice in the bowl. It's time to add onions. Just do it like this. Just split everywhere. I am adding oil this much. If you don't want to add, you can't add oil. And I'm adding butter. This is unsalted butter, because I thought in the gravy it's enough oil, so I don't want much oil. If you feel that you want more oil, as per your requirement, you can do. As you can see, my biryani is ready. I add butter because I like the flavor of the butter. So, and now it's time to close the lid and put it for 5 to 10 minutes on high flame. So friends, as you can see, I put it on high flame. We need to wait 5 to 10 minutes until the steam come from the bowl. So as you can see, the butter I put it's already melted. So after 5 minutes, I just switching off the flame and our biryani is ready to eat. So this is the final look of our biryani. You can see the rice cooked properly and our chicken. It's like that. It's smelly, so tasty. It's so yummy and delicious. So friends, you can serve with yogurt as other curry. Up to you can have like this only. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any of my future content. I put a lot of my efforts to making this video, and your subscription and support will really mean a lot to me. Please comment me in my comment box your recipe request and when you tried this biryani, how it turned on. Inshallah, see you soon on my next video.